Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So we are finally at the end of the week and we are going to do our styler. So I have creams and butters, gels, and mousses. So first I'm gonna start off with this cocoa cream from Carol's Daughter. This I like for moisture more than hold, but it packs a punch of moisture. It locks in that moisture and it just makes your hair so soft and smooth and supple. It smells good. You get a lot of product. You can pretty much find it anywhere and it's just a bomb cream. It's called the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter and it does enhance your coils and give you moisture. So this butter, very good. So another one that I like for moisture more than I do for hold is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. It does have a light hold, but not like a really strong hold. So I do have to put like another type of styler on it to get that extra hold. But it does hold in my moisture really, really well. So I will put this on top of a leave-in and use this to lock in on my moisture. It's nice, thick, creamy. You get a lot of product. Glad she's at Ulta. You don't need a lot and it really does feel nice and smooth and creamy on my hair. So I really do enjoy this for moisture and light hold. This hair butter from Kinky Tresses is just good. It smells good. It feels good. It's whipped to perfection. Like she whipped this so well. It's so smooth and creamy. I was like, can I put this on my body too? Like it's that smooth, creamy, and the smell is just so good. It's just so cocoa mango like warming to me and I just love it. It does have a nice decent hold, not the most hold. Of course you might want to put another styler over top of it, like a lightweight gel or maybe even a mousse, but I didn't put anything over top of it and I had a really nice defined twist style for about 4 days. This is good for moisture and a medium hold. Next is the Irish Moss Styling Cream from Nature's Little Secret. The reason why I love this because this is the first cream that I was able to do a wash and go with. Now I was super heavy handed, so I did have like a little bit of flakes, you know what I'm saying, because I was heavy handed with it because I never used a cream before for a wash and go, so I didn't really know how to do it. But I used it again for a wash and go after that. It was off camera and I really liked it. I also used it for a twist out and it's real good for that too. Has a nice amount of hold, decent moisture, and it's just a great styling cream. This Texture ID Coils Twist Butter was just babe for 2020. Like it's super affordable. It's one of the gel cream situations, which I love. You definitely need to have a moisturizing leave-in underneath because it doesn't really have moisture, but it does have hold. So it's called a twist butter, but it's more of like a creamy gel. So this was a great styler. The hold is on point and I just love it. As long as you use something moisturizing underneath, you will love it too. And the 4-in-1 styler from Unicurl, it's also a cream gel situation, but you definitely need to put something moisturizing underneath it, and this will give you a nice hold for a twist out braid out. I used it for a rod set, which it was too crunchy for that, but twist outs and braid outs, I've used it for a twist out and twist out was definition just popping. Moving on to gels, we're gonna start off with something you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, she uses that. It is the Cantu Avocado Gel. I know y'all probably shocked that I use this, but I do like it. I use it for a wash and go, and honey, my wash and go was popping, okay? It was a bomb. And I use this for like slick back ponytails and puffs and stuff like that. It's super affordable. Like you can pretty much get this at any beauty supply store for super cheap, maybe $5. I don't know, because I had got it in Curl Box, but this is a good, cheap, affordable gel. Ice Curls by Aunt Jackie's. My wash and go was so cute. It was so defined. It was shiny. It was just juicy. It was just, this is a really good gel. It has great hold. Like my hair was popping for a whole week, no question. Like this is just good. This is the only Aunt Jackie's gel that I've ever used, and I don't even want to try them other ones because I like this one. So the Cheers Gelato, it's one of those like gooey, you know how the Main Choice gels are. This one is definitely like that, and it's hella sticky, but it is so good because it gives me definition, it gives me shine, and it gives me hold. So I really like it. If you saw my favorite wash and go combos video, this was definitely in there, and I really enjoy this. The flaxseed curly custard from Nature's Little Secret. If you like to do twist outs and braid outs, this gives you such a nice like medium hold that your hair is still going to be like fluffy and flowy. It's not going to be hard and stiff with this. This is a great flaxseed gel. Gave me bomb definition, locked in my moisture, and my hair was still soft but had a good hold. So that's what I like about this. I need to re-up. Lastly, for gels, y'all know I was going to talk about Big Papa. Big Papa blew me away for 2020. This is the only gel that I have ever used where I don't even need to use a leave-in. It instructs you not to use a leave-in, and I didn't, and my hair was bomb. Like, my curls were so defined and soft, but the hold was there. Like, this wash and go clearly can last way past a week for me. Like, I freaking love this. As soon as I used it, I went and bought 2-3 more, and I won't be without this. Like, this gel was fire. Cause y'all know a one and done product for type 4, like especially a wash and go one and done, like no leave-in, we don't be doing that. So when I did it with this and my hair was just how I wanted it, I said, oh, she is back. Moving on to mousses. These two mousses are really good. This is the Honey Whip and this is the Rose Water mousse from TGIN. You get nice, soft, defined curls. This one gives a little shine because of the honey. And because honey is a humectant, I like to use this one in the colder months. And this one, Rose Water, I like to use in the hotter months. These are both very good, gave me nice definition, and I enjoy both of them. Y'all already knew Lotta Body Babe was gonna be in it. Once Alexis and Sheree put me onto it, it has been a staple ever since. She is affordable, she gets the job done. She makes sure your hair is popping, it has hold, and it does what she do what she supposed to do. Like, she just does. Like, you just can't get past it. Your hair don't be crunchy, but you got that right hold. You know what I'm saying? You definitely want to put some moisturizer underneath her because she ain't playing with the hold. To be a mousse, she got it. This pink lemonade mousse from the Main Choice is good. It's hella sticky now, but I don't mind. If you don't like a sticky mousse, then you wouldn't like this one. But other than that, like, it gives me everything I need. It gives me shine, it gives me hold, and that's what I need from this. You get what you're looking for when you use this, like, and I just really like it. And lastly, my new babe, my new mousse, like, this is the Bronner Brothers moisturizing wrapping lotion, and this mousse is fire. She's $5 and she gives me everything. She actually gave me this hair. If you did not see that video, you definitely need to check it out. But honey, she gives me shine, she gives me moisture. I did not have to use a leave-in with this. I recommend that you do, but with this one I didn't, and she is still soft, bouncing, popping, and here, okay, here. So I'm taking her into 2021, and I advise you to use this in 2021 because this is going to be the mousse of 2021. Watch when I tell you. Alright, so those are all my stylers from 2020 that I just really enjoyed, would definitely reach for and repurchase. Make sure y'all let me know what were your favorite stylers of 2020. Give me at least 3, so just in case I haven't tried them, I can go pick them up. Please like this video, share this video, and girl, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.